Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the two different ways you can view the iPhone owner's emergency contacts details in 2024. So the lock screen is locked with a passcode. So if you want to contact the owner or their emergency contacts, what you can do is tap on emergency down here at the bottom left corner, then tap on medical ID. Now scroll down to the emergency contacts section. In here, you will be able to contact the emergency contacts phone number in here. Another way to do it is on your lock screen. You can press on the side button and one of the volume keys. So it can be either volume up or volume down key. Press on both keys and hold. Then on this screen, you can swipe across on medical ID, and this will open up the medical ID record, and you can scroll down to view the emergency contacts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.